Now, previously we learned how to set up the CSV node so that we can get packages, right, to process the data row by row. Now, in this video, I'm just going to extend that knowledge a little further by building out an automation, right, that gets packages, right, to process, the data row by row, right, when we upload it using a CSV file. And then get AI to look at the file again, row by row, and come up with, in this particular case, come up with an original recipe, okay, for a drink, and suggest some names for this drinks, creative ones. Okay, so I'm just going to change that. All right, and let's run this package. Oh, wait, hang on. Before that, we will need to download the download the CSV. Now we're going to run this package. I'm just going to delete this, upload again. Right, so this is the one that we need. Now, so what packages will do is take the CSV file, look at the file, and look at the ingredients, right? In this case, orange, carrot, apple, cucumber, watermelon, kale, row by row. And then, create a drink, send it to active pieces because of the webhook, and then create new recipes and deposit it in the, Google Documents. Right, so it is ready. So this is what it is, right? You have the orange carrot, and these are the ingredients that you need. This is the instruction, and then you have the creative names. And then let's go back again. Right, this one that we. And this is the apple cucumber. All right, so let's name it so that we don't end up opening the same files over and over again. Right, and this is the last one, watermelon. Watermelon kale. Okay, so same thing. Here you have the ingredients, the temporary name, some more creative names. So you have summer breeze blend, right? Watermelon kale quencher. Now this sounds like something I might drink. Refreshing kale crushed, right? So cocoa melon sounds a bit weird. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so these are the three files. So what you need to take note, okay, is basically this. You need to, in this case, all right, actually we did not expose the keys, but it's fine, apparently. So what you need to take note is that you have the matchup steps here and here. Okay, that's all. So over here, we didn't expose the keys, but it's not a problem. We still got the correct combinations, and that's what matters. Right, so that's all. If you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe. Right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.